Is it time to buy or sell Richtech Robotics stock? In this video, we will explore Richtech Robotics in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Thursday, the 16th of January, 2025, and now we aim to provide you with a more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and activate the notification bell to stay informed about our latest analyses. You certainly do not want to miss any critical updates that could affect your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by utilizing our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4, available at StockInvest.us. Harness the capabilities of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please be aware that this video is intended for informational purposes only and should not be interpreted as financial advice. Since the 4th of December, 2024, our system has classified Richtech Robotics as a buy candidate, awarding it a score of 3.38. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. Those who adhered to our analysis would have experienced a remarkable gain of 310.02% since we first identified Richtech Robotics as a buy candidate 29 days ago. This equates to an average return of 10.69% per day since it was designated as a buy candidate. The stock is positioned in the midst of a broad and robust upward trend in the short term, indicating a likely continuation of this upward movement. The current trend over the past 3 months suggests a potential change of 164.1% over the next 3 months, with possible returns ranging from 39.81% to 255.26%. In terms of the 12-month trend, it indicates a potential decline of 28.8% over the next year, with expected returns falling between negative 100% and negative 12.05%. This could result in a price range from $0 to $2.89 after a year. Our latest daily update for Richtech Robotics includes the headline, Volatile Ride for Richtech Robotics Incorporated stock price on Thursday, moving between $2.60 and $3.48. The Richtech Robotics Incorporated stock price gained 14.63% on the last trading day, which was Thursday, the 16th of January, 2025, rising from $2.87 to $3.29. It has now recorded gains for 3 consecutive days. It will be interesting to see whether it continues to rise or takes a brief pause in the coming days. During the last trading session, the stock fluctuated 33.84%, with a low of $2.60 and a high of $3.48. Over the last 2 weeks, the price has increased by 21.85%. The trading volume also surged on the last day, which, combined with the price increase, is a positive technical indicator. Overall, 5 million more shares were traded than the previous day, totaling 37 million shares, exchanged for approximately $120,052,000. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price reached $12.29, while the lowest price was 30 cents and 2 mils. Currently, the price stands 73.23%, or $9, below the 52-week high of $12.29, which is also the all-time high for the stock. Rolls-Royce Holdings has experienced a remarkable resurgence in share price, culminating in a record high of 600 pence, up nearly 1,500% from its lowest point in 2021. This dramatic rise has been attributed to the ongoing recovery of the civil aviation sector, positioning Rolls-Royce as the top performer in the Financial Times Stock Exchange 100 index. As of early January 2025, there is a dual outlook on the stock. On one hand, the potential for continued growth remains strong as the aviation industry continues to rebound. On the other hand, market analysts caution about a possible pullback following recent highs, especially after a slight decline from a peak of 592 pence to around 553 pence, raising concerns about a potential reversal. In the short term, volatility can affect investor sentiment, potentially leading to profit-taking and fluctuations in stock price. However, if Rolls-Royce maintains its positive trajectory and capitalizes on the recovery in civil aviation, as well as effective management and strategic initiatives, we could see sustained growth. Long-term, Rolls-Royce's success will heavily depend on its ability to navigate challenges within the aerospace market while continuing to innovate and expand its technological offerings. The company's solid performance in recent years underscores its resilience, but investors should remain vigilant about market dynamics that could influence its stock price moving forward. Analyst ratings. On Tuesday, the 26th of April, 2022, it was reported that JP Morgan assigned RR an underweight rating accompanied by a downgrade. Analysts have assigned Richtech Robotics stock a general sell rating. They evaluate the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell. Regarding return on investment, the analysts also rate the stock as strong sell. The following signals have been identified for Richtech Robotics. The Richtech Robotics Inc. stock presents buy signals from both short-term and long-term moving averages, indicating a positive outlook for the stock. Additionally, there is a general buy signal stemming from the relationship between these two averages, as the short-term average is above the long-term average. Should there be downward corrections, support levels are noted at $2.96 and $1.81. A decline below either of these levels would trigger sell signals. The trading volume is increasing alongside the price, which is considered a favorable technical indicator. However, some negative signals have also been noted, potentially impacting short-term developments. A sell signal emerged from a pivot top point on Monday, January 6, 2025, with the stock having dropped nearly 20% since then. Further declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Furthermore, a sell signal is currently present from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, also known as MACD. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, sell signal. Pivots, sell signal 8 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal 2 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal 34 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 32 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, sell signal 5 days ago. The long-term moving average, buy signal 22 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 18 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to discover more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for Richtech Robotics. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $2.90 and $2.67. There is an inherent risk when a stock is testing a support level. If this level is breached, the stock may then decline to the next support level. In this instance, Richtech Robotics Inc. finds support just below today's level at $2.90. Should this be broken, the next support from accumulated volume will be at $2.67 and $2.60. This stock may experience significant movement throughout the day, indicating high volatility, and with a substantial prediction interval from the Bollinger Bands, this stock is considered to be a very high risk. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated 88 cents between its high and low, which represents a change of 33.84%. For the past week, the stock has exhibited an average daily volatility of 31.63%. Before we dive into the potential favorable trading levels for Richtech Robotics, let's quickly review some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This important metric evaluates a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is experiencing negative earnings or is operating at a loss. Even well-established companies can go through challenging periods, often due to circumstances beyond their control. However, consistently negative PE ratios may suggest inadequate profitability and could raise concerns about potential bankruptcy risks. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Richtech Robotics. In the event of an upward trend, the initial resistance level for Richtech Robotics is at $3.49. If you do not currently own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this may serve as a point to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Richtech Robotics faces its first support level at $2.90. If this support level remains intact, it could present an excellent entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Richtech Robotics from multiple analyst sources is to sell. The most recent insider trade for this stock is older than 3 months. The latest trade occurred on the 8th of August, 2024, when King Bliss Limited executed an insider sale of 2 million shares of Class B common stock. Our recommended stop loss is set at $3.10, reflecting a decrease of 5.82%. This stock exhibits significant daily fluctuations, presenting a high level of risk. A sell signal has been identified from a pivot top established 7 days ago. Is Richtech Robotics stock a good buy? Several short-term indicators, along with a generally positive trend, suggest that the current price level may present a buying opportunity. There is a considerable chance for Richtech Robotics Incorporated stock to perform favorably in the short term. However, after analyzing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Friday, the 17th of January, we anticipate that Richtech Robotics will open lower by approximately 16.7 cents and begin trading at $3.12. We want to remind you that trading carries a significant risk of losing money. It is advisable to consult a financial advisor prior to buying or selling any securities. Your investment decisions should not solely rely on StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With warm regards from all of us here at StockInvest.